Recently, Cogstate had the pleasure of co-authoring a poster highlighting learnings from a rater performance monitoring program used in the TRAILBLAZER-ALZ 2 randomized clinical trial of Donanemab in early symptomatic Alzheimer's disease. For this analysis, rater performance was monitored in 4 key Alzheimer's disease outcome measures, including the ADAS-Cog 13, the ADCS-ADL, the CDR, and the MMSE. The individuals reviewing rater performance were selected from a team of neuropsychologists who have deep expertise with Alzheimer's disease assessment and were carefully calibrated on study requirements. Reviewers evaluated scale forms completed by raters and audio recordings of administrations to identify any deviation from standardized test or interviewing procedures. They also looked for any discrepancy between participants' actual and documented responses and errors of response scoring. Review of these assessments showed deviation from standard guidelines in 40 to 60% of administrations. The most errors were observed on the ADAS-Cog. It's worth pointing out that prior research has shown scale administration, recording, and scoring errors to be quite common in outcome measures used in AD clinical trials, which tend to be both complex and lengthy. So while this result is not entirely surprising, it does show the importance of employing rater performance checks to improve clinical trial data accuracy. In addition, differences in performance accuracy were also noted across countries, which was an interesting finding. This leads us to consider further investigation of cross-cultural differences in rater qualifications and experiences, as well as culturally driven differences in review approaches that may be helpful in tailoring rater training programs to the specific learning needs of raters in local regions. Findings from this data indicate the importance of centrally monitoring rater performance to ensure data integrity and consistency throughout studies, particularly those utilizing complex and lengthy scales. For more information, I invite you to read the poster and explore the data shared there. Thank you so much.